The Ignorant Man. Once upon a time in a village, there lived a milkman. His name was Ashok. He lived in his hut with his 2 cows. He fed them well and took proper care of them. The 2 cows gave plenty of milk. He used to sell the milk and earn enough money to live happily. Ashok was an honest man. Though he was content, at times he would be restless. There is so much wrong and evil in this world. Is there nobody to guide the people? This thought made him sad every now and then. One evening, the ignorant man, Ashok, was returning home after selling milk in the village. He saw a saint sitting under a tree and meditating. He slowly walked up to him and waited for the saint to open his eyes. He decided to wait there itself till the saint opened his eyes. After some time, the saint slowly opened his eyes. He was surprised to see a man patiently sitting beside him. "What do you want?" asked the saint humbly. "I want to know what the path to truth is." "Where shall I find honesty?" asked Ashok. The saint smiled and said, "Go to the pond nearby and ask the fish the same question. The fish will give you the answer." Ashok went to the nearby pond and asked the same question to the fish. The fish said, "Oh kind man, first bring me some water to drink." Ashok was surprised. He said, "You live in water, but you still want water to drink? How strange!" At this moment, the fish replied, "You are right, and that gives you the answer to your question as well. Truth and honesty are inside the heart of a man, but being ignorant, he searches for them in the outer world. Instead of wandering here and there, look within yourself and you will find it." This gave immense satisfaction to Ashok. He thanked the fish and walked home a wiser man. He changed the way in which he saw this world as well as himself. From that day, Ashok never felt restless. Moral: Truth and honesty lies within ourselves.